Hello there. So you want to know how you can connect your OBS to your Twitch account? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your OBS studio. As you can see, it is freshly started. I have not done anything to it. This is exactly how it is going to look like when you open it for the first time. All you need to do is simply go ahead and head into your settings, and now all you need to do is click on stream and then select your service to Twitch and then click on connect account, and you can simply go ahead and log in into your Twitch account right through here. Or if you don't want to do that, what you can do is simply go ahead and open any browser you prefer using and then head into twitch.tv. Once you're logged in into your account, click on your creator dashboard, and this is where you want to simply go ahead and look for stream manager. Now click on the setting tab and click on stream, and this is going to be your stream key. Simply go ahead and copy that, and now open your OBS studios and then click on use stream key and paste your right over here and click on apply. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.